Let me show you how to make a budget-friendly oha soup but with a little history. Oha soup is a traditional delicacy that is originated from Igbo people of the southeastern Nigeria. It is one of the oldest delicacies that is deeply tied to their heritage, culture, and communion gathering. But in today, other parts of the country also love and cherish this food. Now, this is how to prepare a budget-friendly oha soup. In my pot, I went in with my protein. I used chicken and cow skin. Next, I added blended onion and pepper and seasoning cube. I'll cover this and allow to come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I added my panla fish and one ice fish head. At this point, I'll give this a little stir. I'll go in with my crayfish. Then for my thickener, I'm going to use cocoyam powder to thicken my soup. So once I add my crayfish, I'm also going to stir this a little bit. I'll then cover and allow everything to boil together. Once that is done, now is the time to add my thickener. I mix my thickener with my red oil. Then I'll add water and allow this to boil. If you've watched to this point, that means you are enjoying this video. Please, I want you to like this video. Even if you don't want to subscribe, just give me a thumbs up. It will go a long way for me in this video. That being said, let's continue. Once my soup comes to a boil, I'm going to go in with more cocoyam powder to increase the thickness. If you don't want your soup to be too thick, you can actually skip this part. So after I went in with the cocoyam powder, I'm going to stir everything together and remove the ice fish that I added so that it's not going to scatter inside the soup. And once that is done, I'll allow this to come to a boil. This is a budget-friendly oha soup and a very easy to follow recipe, so you don't have to do too much. Once you get to this point, you start prepping your oha leaf. While prepping your leaf, make sure you wash it thoroughly and use your hands to cut it. Oha leaf, they don't use knife to cut oha leaf. Use your hands that you use to cut it. Once you're done with that, you go in with your oha leaf. Once you add your oha leaf, in less than 2 minutes, your soup should be ready. Immediately I add my leaf, I went in with my fish that I removed earlier and I will give this a good mix. Cover it and allow to cook for some few minutes. And after that, my oha soup is ready. If you can follow the step-by-step method I show you in this video, this will be one of the best oha soup you've ever made on a budget. No need to say much, a trial will convince you. This soup tastes really good. I hope you give it a try. Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know where you're watching from. Bye for now.